He's having fun chewing up the TV cardboard box.
This is his Christmas mind.
I wonder what he would do if we gave him a present in a box.
Well, don't put nothing in it. Maybe some treats. Put treats in it.
Peter's just like...
I'll take a corner.
Bear's having fun over here, and Peter's just like... See my dog over there next to my mom is trying to eat the cardboard. Very slowly. She's like... Happy Christmas, Bear. Even though it's like not even hit Thanksgiving yet. There's our personal shredder, Mom, for information. Here, I don't want to be documenting. Shut him up.
That's what the magazine looked like the other day when we got home.
So we definitely know who does it now. I know, Fish. Will you stop sniffing me? Will you stop sniffing me?
Just little pieces, T-Dom. You want this big one, don't you?
Happy Christmas, Bear. We have a personal shredder for information now. You can see all this.